Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to make a table clock using ESP32 or ESP12 module. So in that case here, this is my homemade ESP12F based different board. So I am using this for my project, and this is a TM1637 clock display, which contains a 4 digit, which is your requirement for the basic log purpose. So here we are going to see the connection, and the connection is like the data pin and the clock pin will be connected at digital pin number 4 and 5 of the ESP12F board. As you can see, the DIO and CLK pins, and here the VCC input and ground pin. For the programming, I am using FTDI module, and now we are going to see the code of this project. So I am using the ESP128265 fiber.h library for the board, and here this is a Wi-Fi SSID and password option, on which you can put your Wi-Fi and other details. And here the main thing, here the NTP setup, in which I have chosen the IST for my location. So basically you can also change your time zone according to the timing. So this is the basic code. You can check out the code in the description, and here you can, after all the completion, you can hit the upload button. So after the uploading the code to the board will automatically connect the Wi-Fi and sync the timing on the display. As you can see, it's working very perfect. So this is the code and project of this. So thanks for watching.